Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are starting off our normal routine with Dixie on a daily time frame today, and I want to just show you that regardless of the sell-off yesterday and all that occurred, we literally tested our 101 level and are basically still consolidating in a bullish divergence sense on daily time frame on Dixie, which is exactly what I was expecting. Maybe the government or Mount Gox seller or whoever mystery people colluding realize that Dixie is bottoming out and they're coming to agreement with my conclusion that Dixie is going to go upside from here, meaning that we will see downside on tech stocks and crypto for a little bit of time until we consolidate. And maybe they're getting out on the local high as the probability because this looks like on a daily. And today we are going to be closing the daily, but tomorrow we'll close the weekly and monthly, closing above this level, that 101, and looking for this consolidation to set in to test back up, basically claiming at least 101.70 by the weekly close, so that way we can continue to show like consolidation support on the 100 EMA and looking for upside from there. Let me turn off all this stuff so you can see what I'm talking about. The cyan is this 100 EMA. I don't like how the cross down of the 21 on the 55 and this lowest 9 EMA getting a rejection. This is showing you a lot of selling pressure. And it's confirming that this is not just a quick move fake out. Price action is basically being pushed down by this lowest EMA line, which is this red dotted line, meaning like even if we get upside on Dixie to 102.80 on a weekly time frame, it's still gonna be a like a resistance level for upside. So we're not gonna just like shoot on through to the moon. We should expect a little bit of a slap down around 102.70, grind out this area, consolidate, and then move on up. Um, Apparently, people are pricing in US not even doing any increase in May, but a possible rate cut in May, while ECB is looking at 0.25 to zero point 0.5. And all of this is coming very soon, so be ready of all this fun price action that we're going to see. Let me go to a daily on Bitcoin now to show you guys a little bit about what to expect moving forward for the rest of the week. Since Friday, we should expect a little bit of risk off mentality. A lot of people got shook out yesterday on that little doji, but the doji was a lower high, meaning this little head and shoulder construction is now playing out. Even your high today is of this order block of basically yesterday. Um, what we want to do is basically close today above 28,800. That's the magic number that I want to see for next week to continue up. This week, right now, we are actually, even though you're showing bearish divergence, the amount of buy up that occurred is very good to know that as much the people wanted to break down to lower levels, our level of 26.6 was successful as being confirmed as local support for now. And then even 27,000 now, I would say is a nice local support. And then as you saw the red dotted line on Dixie, right? To get above it is very, very hard, you know? That's why we had this little bit of price action. Now price action is confirming, yes, we do want more upside for now. What the next goal would be is to close a daily candle above 29,200, and then we can look for higher. So I would say right now, 27,500 is pretty decent support moving forward on a daily time frame. And I would say that if you are scalping, you should just be very aware of the $28,200 level, meaning that that should be your first signal of further downside test to 27,000 to come. And this time around, with this much sell pressure making lower daily highs, it's possible that you can roll on over and now complete this larger head and shoulder. People are saying that Dixie's in a head and shoulder. Well, so was Bitcoin. So just be aware that we can come any lower now, and once you lose 26,000, I'm just gonna warn you right now that the drop can be very, very quick to 24,000, and then we're gonna have cascading liquidation situation going up all the way to 19.5. So whoever is trying to sell, I'm hoping that they're only trying to drive price action to 24,000-ish and recumulate to go lower to 19.5 is the absolute low that I want to see in any kind of cascading black swan event. After that, a lot of people will be shook out, and then you can just assume bull market will be out. We can do this wick nonsense, okay? This wick bullshit, I'm okay with that because this daily candle to this daily candle, we had a bullish close, okay? Even though you got a doji signifying reversal, that is still a decent close above this previous candle. Now, if today we cannot claim at least above 28,800 to 29.2 and close the daily above it, you will make lower highs, and then we're going to make a little consolidation, little flag over here, kind of like this flag right over here. And then what we need to do is just stay above this lower 9 EMA. The second you start making closes underneath that and you start tickling this 55 EMA too much, the breakdown is going to be more likely because now that you got fear. So all these people who didn't get out here are now trapped. Whoever bought here in this whole, um, no, I don't want to be mean about this, but just be serious. Whoever bought in those last 12 days are now officially trapped longs. As much money they put in that market, they're trapped. Now, all these people over here from this day, whatever, let's just go all the way from here. The last 43 days, okay, anyone who bought up and down is now like, are we going higher or are we going to roll over? And then these guys over here are not going to try to take a loss. So they want to at least break even. So I'm assuming that a lot of stop losses are sitting like right around here. And then, do I want to even show all my stuff right now? See, it's just going to be too much for you guys to get at right now. That's what the members is for. I can take my time and go over it on the live and explain everything. I got to make this video quick, so I'm going to make this fast from now. If we get any 4-hour closes under 28.8, I would be looking for downside to come. So be aware of that. I'm going to go quickly to ETH after this quick 4-hour glance on this. As you can see, Doji on a 4-hour now, after that daily Doji, is showing you weakness from this high to high. So we need to get a 4-hour open and close above 30,000 now. Otherwise, every lower high you're setting, there's more and more people fearing that a rollover is coming, and they'll start panic selling. Once you lose this low right here that we set up over the last you know, whatever 28 days, this 27,200, 27K, the drop will be much more vicious to like 23K. 25K is a psychological number, guys. Just keep that in mind. Obviously, you got to take some trades there, but 23.3 is where I will be looking for you. And then 19.5, like I said, after that. That's all I want to go over on this. If you want more, come join the members. And then May's membership is starting soon. So if you're joining, better join so you guys get ready for the plan for May. Here is daily on ETH doing the same head and shoulder situation. I don't think this is a head and shoulder. I think it's just a cool off the oscillators, shaking out of over leverage longs, finding support near 1750, and then we can look for another attempt up. But if you start closing under 1750 with 4-hour open and closes, that's your first warning that, hey, the next stop is going to be like 1500-ish. And then after that, you got like 1340, 1350. I mean, yeah, 1360 around here. Okay, like low 1400s is going to be the next possible low. So under that is bull run is canceled for this cycle, and then we're going to be looking for support lower. But just be aware of that moving forward. We'll go quickly to the 4-hour. So 4-hour already showing you this was a nice, area to break above. So until we get a 4-hour open and close above, 2100, we're not looking for lower. We're not looking for higher, like such as that 2300 that we were trying to get. 2150 is the next possible SFP short after 2126 swing failure pattern SFP, meaning that like we pump into it and then we can't have continual closes and you start seeing people actually sell hard. and we lose that low again, I mean the high again, it's probably going to be a bull trap situation for people who are buying this long here. It could come up to here, just sweep down lower in this descending channel fashion before we get a higher high. I would say this is one grab liquidity, maybe half a grab. I would look for another grab before we look for real upside reversal situation. But we never know, maybe people buy the dip and then the sell pressure is out. I would not be able to tell you. I'm just telling you off price action and the local time frame. Right now, markets are about to start opening up. It's 4 hour just opened. So let's see if this can be held up for a little bit of a higher grab, at least the 1975 area. And then if we start getting a 4 hour open and close above 1975, we can look for that 2126 at the top that we had yesterday. All right. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comment section below. If you guys are trading and you need a new KYC server or a service provider, you can go to my affiliate link section below alongside the Discord link if you want to join the members or if you want to talk to me live. The Discord server link is in the description below alongside all the other affiliate services that I use that help this channel grow. So thank you so much. It's been a year that we've been doing YouTube and I've made exactly 1 penny, if not 0 pennies. I'm saying 1 penny to round up. I have not made even 1 penny off YouTube after 1 year. So thank you all for your support because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be making these videos continually. And if you guys have any other questions or concerns, I'll see you in the next one. Otherwise, leave me a comment below. If you aren't subscribed already, you should subscribe because as these volatile days comes, my daily perception changes as I see the market data. So probably a wise decision to get that bell thing so you get the notification that I'm dropping a new video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Give me a like. Spread the word. Bye bye.